Hi guys, I wanted to do an unboxing video for the black+decker 5-inch random orbit sander. This is a pretty basic random orbit sander available on Amazon. It was about $30 on the website. I'll have a link in the description below, but wanted to go ahead and jump into unboxing it. So after I finally get it open, it's really pretty basic contents inside of the box. There is the instruction manual. There is a piece of example sandpaper to apply to the sander. And then there's the actual sander body. The power cord is actually attached to the main sander body and can't be removed. In order to get the sandpaper to align with the sander, all you need to do is make sure that the holes at the bottom actually line up, and then there's some Velcro, and you want to make sure that it gets a good stick and gets applied well. And then finally there's a power cord, and then of course a bag in order to attach for you to be able to collect some of the sawdust as you actually do your sanding. It seems like a pretty solid sander, and I'm excited to give it a shot.
So right here is the power button. Just turn it on.
So as I continue to actually use the sander, I have to say that I'm overall pretty pleased with the product so far. Only have used it pretty minimally, but the power, the grip was really comfortable in my hand as I was using it on this small frame project. I also felt like it was doing a really good job of pretty easily taking off the burn marks from the table saw. So as you can see right here, I found one and actually was able to sand right over it and make quick work of it. So now I'll go ahead and go into fast forward mode here to make this go by a little bit quicker as I continue through on this project. But overall excited to get to continue to use this product for many projects to come.